Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. 21st question of lesson, a day in the ashram. Okay, so this question carries 2 marks. 2 marks na question idu. 21st question. Name the writer of this lesson and founder of the Shantiniketan school. So this is the picture of Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, Rashtrakavi Rabindranath Tagore. Author of this lesson was C.F. Andrews. ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಶ್ರಮ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದಂಥವರು C.F. Andrews. Founder of Shantiniketan Ashram or school was Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore ಅವರು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದು ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, this carries 2 marks children. Okay, thank you.